Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Fringe Talks Tech, and in today's video, we are going to be looking at some product that I think everybody will need in this day and age. If you guys have a laptop, if you guys have a gaming console, if you guys have something that you want to game on, this is nothing but the Cosmic Byte ARES wired gaming control. Now this is a very old, not a very old, this has been in the market for a while. This controller specifically has been in the market for a while, and this costs somewhere around 1200 to 1000 rupees in the Amazon website right now. But the reason for me to choose this particular product is because this product has been really insane for a long time. Since its release day, this product has absolutely taken gaming to a next level for many people, and I feel like if you guys are in the market and looking for a new controller, this should be a good option. I will leave the link for the wireless version as well in the description, so in case you guys want to check that out, and the price of that as well, there will be the links in the description, so you guys don't need to worry about that. First thing first, what we get in the box, we get our basic controller, and then we're gonna be getting ourselves the user manual as well. So let us open this. I don't have a drop down camera, otherwise I would have showed you guys a different view. So you guys see the controller right here, and then along with that you get a user manual. We usually don't read this in this world, but it is good. I mean, user manual is usually important if you guys are using something new, using something different. So what we are going to be looking in today's video is, I'm going to be showing you guys what this looks like. This controller specifically supports both X input and direct input. If you guys don't know what it is, make sure you guys go Google it, because it is something important. X input mainly, focuses on gaming, and it makes it easy for gaming apparently, if you guys want to small summary about it. But the reason I chose this controller is because look at the format. This is the Xbox controller format. If you guys want to know the PSP controller or PlayStation controller, this is how the PlayStation controller layout usually is. Both the joysticks next to each other. Here it is diagonal across, the joystick here and the joystick here, these two are diagonally across. This has RGB as well. Let me connect this to my PC and show you guys the beautiful RGB, which gives us extra FPS in case you guys didn't know. So what this is really good, because this not only has the X input and the direct input that I was telling you guys about, but this controller also has dual vibration. So if you guys need that haptic feedback back when you're playing, and you want to feel like that immersive nature, you guys will get that from this. This also has trigger sensitive triggers. So I mean, how much pressure you're gonna be applying in case you're playing some racing game, you need to slow down but not completely stop. You can use pressure sensitivity, so I'll show you guys that as well. So if you guys look at this, this is very nice. The trigger sensitivity on this is really good. If you guys see how accurately it's sensing the triggers on both the left and right triggers in the bottom, and then even I don't think the top one anything is trigger sensitive. I think only the bottoms and all are trigger sensitive. So this is really nice, and all the other buttons as well work really fine. This is a really good controller. I've been playing a lot of FIFA with this. I've been playing a lot of Asphalt with this and Forza 4 with this. I would definitely recommend going in for this controller if you guys are in the market for a new gamepad or a new controller, in case you guys are want something for cheap but also really sturdy. The build is really solid. I think I've dropped this already like 2-3 times while testing, and it has not even got a scratch on it. This is a full matte finish body, and it is very sturdy. The plastic that is used on this is very heavy. You can't break it easily. If you are somebody who rages while gaming, you guys don't need to worry. This won't break that easily unless you are a mammoth, and obviously this is gonna break. But you guys can use this on different modes as well. If you guys just go through the user manual, this is gonna be helpful. How to switch from X input to direct input, what button you need to hold, what are the other modes you have. The one thing I need to talk about this is, this has multiple connectivity. Now in case you guys want to use this on a mobile phone, let us say you guys have an Android. Yeah, I don't think in iPhone any controller works. In case you guys have a Android, all you have to do is take your OTG cable, plug it to your phone, and plug this controller and have fun. Or if you guys are gonna go for the wireless version, it is gonna be easy, I guess. I mean, just connect it through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, however it works. And another thing is, I don't know if this is compatible with PS4 or Xbox or PS5. This is compatible with PS3 and any Windows device at the moment. So I don't think you guys will have any issue with PC, but gaming console, that is where there might be some issues with compatibility. Now, when you look at the buttons specifically on this controller, you guys can see those two small buttons which says auto and turbo, right? This is really important if you guys are playing a game in which you have to constantly keep pressing a particular button. If you guys don't know what turbo and auto means, there are a ton of videos on YouTube that will explain to you what a turbo button and what an auto button does on a controller. But this controller, for the price that this is coming at, if you guys don't want to spend a lot on wireless, wired is very good, guys, because the length of the wire, you guys can see, it just keeps going. So this is actually a really good option for a controller if you guys are looking for a gaming controller which is solid build, which has pretty much every single functionality that is there on a controller: trigger sensitive, dual vibrations, multiple input thingies. And then not only that, if you guys are I mean, most of the people are used to the Xbox format more than the PlayStation format, so this has even that the diagonal joystick. And the turbo and auto is going to be really helpful for many of you guys if you are playing games that repeatedly keeps making, makes you keep pressing the buttons a lot. So definitely do check this controller out. If you guys want more suggestions on controller, please do leave a comment in the comment section and I will definitely get to you guys. But hopefully today's video was helpful for many of you guys, and if you guys enjoyed it, please do leave a like, and if you guys want to see more, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video of Fringe Talks Tech. Bye bye.